This blanket from Westpath has a wax canvas backing, making it super waterproof, so you can put it down on wet grass at a festival, or you can put it at the bottom of your tent and it will keep everything dry. Plus, the thick material will help smooth out rocks and provide a solid amount of cushion no matter where you're using it. The front of the blanket is 100% cotton and has really durable stitching, so you can bring it along for all of your adventures and not worry about tearing it up. Go grab this blanket for yourself and be prepared for all of your friends to ask you where you got it.